What's up tech gang, Stefan here from TechRight. Today I have the Moto E5 Plus from Metro PCS, and we're going to actually see how well games run on this device. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we actually have 4 games lined up. We have more than usual, but we're going to be doing this from now on. We're going to be trying to run Temple Run 2, PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9, and Tekken. Now Tekken is a fighting game, Asphalt 9 is a racing game, PUBG is a shooter, and Temple Run is basically a tap game. Now we do have 3 graphic intensive games and 1 not so graphic intensive game, which is obviously Temple Run 2, and we're going to actually start off with that first. So let's go ahead and boot this up and see how it runs. Now I know I'm going to get it in the comments. Like everybody's gonna be asking in the comments, yo, can you run Fortnite on this device? Any Metro PCS phone that's out there right now, any budget phone really is not supported yet. So just keep that in mind, that any budget phone does not support Fortnite yet. So keep that in mind, guys. So we have Temple Run 2. We have a very nice screen on this device that is 720 by 1440. So far actually looks really beautiful on this display. I have it on full brightness right now, I believe. And we're going to go ahead and see how this runs. So far, actually looking very nice. Looks better than the Alcatel 7 so far. You can pretty much compare it to the Stylo 4. And I will be doing the comparison between the Stylo 4 and the Moto E5 Plus. So far though, graphics look great on this device. Everything looks smooth. Haven't seen any glitches so far. Haven't seen any drop frames either. So looking like a very solid buy right here for gaming, guys. And do keep in mind, this does have a 5,000 milliamp battery, and it does have turbocharging. So that's just another amazing thing about this phone that's actually going to push your gaming experience to the limit. Also, we do have a front-facing speaker, so it's definitely going to be way better than probably the Stylo 4 as far as gaming experience goes so far. This is going to be a better experience just because we have that front-facing speaker that is honestly super loud, and I honestly enjoy it so far. One of the best speakers I've ever heard on a budget phone. But as you guys see, Temple Run 2 literally runs perfectly. Haven't seen any glitches or anything, so looks like we're good on Temple Run. Next up, we have PUBG Mobile. Now this is probably going to be one of the most graphic-intensive games on the Play Store. We're going to go ahead and load this up and see how it works. Alright guys, so the game is now loaded up right here, and so far looks pretty decent, but it has to load up and warm up for a second. So once I'm actually in the match and I drop off from the plane, we're actually going to go ahead and see what happens. Alright guys, so keep in mind that these are on low graphic settings. So when I started the game, it actually put it on low graphic settings, so that is the native state of this. Again, this does have 3 GB of RAM inside this device, and we do have a Snapdragon 435 processor clocked in at 1.4 GHz. So let's go ahead and drop and see how this runs. Alright guys, so far I've actually noticed a few little glitches and dropped frames, but it definitely seems to be playable. You can pretty much compare it to the LG Stylo 4 once again. This actually might run a little bit better than the Stylo 4. Obviously we're going to do the full comparison between the Stylo 4 and the E5 Plus. But this is looking good so far, guys. Actually really surprising me. So now that it's actually warmed up a bit, it actually looks like it's running very well. Looks like there's someone on top of the roof right here. Oh, I got hit down. But actually looks like it runs very well on this device. As you guys saw right there, it was pretty accurate when I was shooting the dude. And let's go on to the next game. Alright guys, next game we have right here is Asphalt 9 Legends, and honestly looks very nice on this display. We're gonna go ahead and race right now and see how it runs though. I was playing this earlier and I didn't notice any drop frames whatsoever, so hopefully we get the same experience once again. Let's go ahead and test this out though. We have our Mitsubishi Evolution Lancer right here. Definitely put your favorite car in the comments down below though, guys. My favorite car probably has to be the Jaguar F-Type, probably 2016 edition. I want that car by next year. And the V8 model, I'm talking about the Type R, not the V6 model. Alright guys, so as you can see so far, running pretty decently. These graphics are a little bit better than Asphalt 8, so I am enjoying this game a little bit more actually. But it's running super smooth, guys. It's running buttery smooth, honestly. All the graphics look nice. Boosting graphics looks very nice. Let's go ahead and go off of this little ledge right here. It looks like we won, guys. So as you guys saw right there, runs perfectly fine. Didn't really see any dropped frames whatsoever. So if you guys would like to play Asphalt 9 on here, works absolutely perfect. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start off. Ooh. Probably my favorite game on the App Store. Absolutely love fighting games. Perfect. Awesome. So far, running perfectly. As you guys saw right there, just saw a few dropped frames, but if you're in the battle, looks really good. Let's go ahead and try another match really quick. But if you're in a battle, was pretty fluid and looked nice, honestly. Alright guys, so we're going to try one more battle really quick. Seems to be running very, very nice. Honestly, like the screen size as well, and this huge chin right here. I know a lot of people don't like it, but it does help during gaming. Or it does help me during gaming, honestly, because I get to grab something. So as you guys see right there, all of the graphics look nice on this. Runs perfectly. Everything looks decent. And yeah, you can run on the Moto E5 Plus. But yeah, if you guys have any more questions on the Moto E5 Plus, definitely leave them in the comments down below. Also, any more video ideas you guys want me to do, leave them in the comments down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been some fun from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.